welcome to my very first Photoshop tutorial. This is Konstantin and we'll be going through the basics. Open Photoshop, go to File, New, or simply press Ctrl N on your keyboard. A new panel pops up with the settings. Let's rename our project and take a look at presets. There are many different types of presets, but we'll be seeing those on other tutorials. Let's have a look at International Paper. There's a bunch of different paper sizes and each has its own width and height. You can also change them by typing whatever number you want. Here you can choose which unit to use on your project. Pixels, centimeters, millimeters, all depending on what kind of project you're working on. If, for example, you are working on a website banner, you would prefer to work on pixels. Now, the resolution defines the quality of your project, may it be a photo or a drawing. For example, 300 resolution means there are 300 pixels of color information per inch or per centimeter, depending on what you're working on. The color mode is also extremely important. Here you can see a list of different color modes. Bitmap is a color mode where only black and white exist as colors. Grayscale is a gradient from black to white. RGB, which means red, green and blue, is a color mode meant to be used for screen, whereas CMYK, cyan, magenta, yellow and key, which is black, is meant for printing purposes. LAB is an experimenting color mode within Photoshop. Upon creating your new project, you can choose what kind of color the background will be. You can choose white, transparent or any color of your choice. Color profile is a more advanced setting which balances the color mode of your screen to the printing machines. We'll look at this later on. Now, you can choose a preset that is already there, but you can also create your own. Let's switch to pixels and write down 1000 to width and height. 72 to resolution, I think it will be fine, and let's click Save Preset. Another panel comes in. Let's rename our preset, leave the settings as they are, and click OK. Now, on the preset list, you'll notice that our new preset is there. The settings are saved and now, no longer will you have to write them down every time you need them. In case you no longer need this preset, simply click on Delete Preset and then Yes. The new preset no longer exists on our list. Let's go with International Paper for now and click OK. And there you have it, your new project.